Welcome to Charge Robotics Robo Recap for the week of January 27th to February 2nd, 2018. The goal of FIRST and Team 537 is to nurture the next generation of scientists, engineers, and technicians, and develop the skills that students will need for the rest of their lives. This goal cannot be met without the guidance of mentors who work in a variety of professions. We caught up with Miss Taylor Woods and Mr. Bruce Van Eyck, who have each been mentors for over a decade. Mr. Brian Hutchinson, who has joined Team 537 last year, and learned a few things from them about mentoring.
As a mentor, I help with the business side of the team, so I help the students with their fundraising, editing any essays, things like that. I also keep track of the team financials, so anytime there's expenses the team needs to pay, any income that we get from sponsors, things like that, I track all of that to make sure that we stay balanced. So I became a mentor because I was a student on the team when I was in high school, and my whole family was involved. Both my parents were mentors, my brother was on the team, and it just kind of became the natural transition for me to become a mentor as well. The best part of this job for me is when you have a conversation with a student and you teach them something and it completely changes their view on something or their path in life. Just one little tidbit that you can give them that really sparks something in their brain, makes everything worthwhile.
I'm in charge of the course crew. We build the full-size course that we offer to various teams over the year. I help the kids learn how the plans work together and help them actually build a course. Mostly I'm mainly there to supervise, make sure the kids are being safe on the machines, and if they have a problem with something I can usually give them a idea on how to get around it. I actually started when my eldest son was in the program, and after all my kids were through it, I just decided to stick around and keep helping. I think the best part is watching the kids starting in the freshman year and going through senior year, watching them learning things and becoming more and more mature and learning to be gracious professionals.
To me, a mentor is here to provide guidance and offer suggestions, solutions, just help work with the kids and figure out the best path. Keep them focused and doing the right thing. I signed on to the electrical team because I have an electrical background, but it's a little different than robotics, so it's kind of exciting. But as an electrical mentor, we just have to help the electrical team, figure out how to build the design. And I think this year, with a lot of the motors that we have, I think it's important to help them figure out our battery usage and just make sure that we don't have any breakdowns with the electrical system. I decided to do it after my son Tate, who's on the robotics team as a sophomore this year, he asked me to do it. He said, there might be an opening in the electrical mentoring and would I like to do it? And I said, sure, I'll see what I can do. Best part is watching things get done. I started this summer and there's a lot of cleaning and organizing, but I was really looking forward to the build season. And now that it's here, the best part to me is watching things get done. And, it's amazing that this is run like a business and we've got 6 weeks to do something and we're getting it done. So I'm really excited about this build season. But it's just exciting. I'm learning as well as, any of the incoming freshmen on the team. It's just seeing how the process works. And, I have many questions and I try and ask them to other mentors or even to some of the kids on the team. So it's not really scary. It's just fun,
If you would like to learn more about Charger Robotics and FIRST Robotics Competition, visit team537.org. There you can see build season updates, check out social media feeds, see what we do in our community, and discover many other resources. For all this and more, visit team537.org. Thank you for joining us for the Charger Robotics Robo Recap.